Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Zaniya Mac, and I'm back in the back with another video for my Z babies.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
And today, as you girls can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing another wig install. This wig was sent to me from Alipearl Hair, so thank you to Alipearl for sending me over this wig. So in the box is the wig. Of course, when you open it up, you just see the wig. It also comes with like a little adjustable strap in there. I don't know why I just threw it on my floor. Some brown wig caps. A hair company has never sent me brown wig caps, but some brown wig caps. And then a little card or whatever telling you how to care for it and stuff. As y'all see, Alipearl Hair. And then the wig I got was a curly headband in the length 16 inches. It comes with the lunch lady net, y'all already know. But this is the hair, y'all. Y'all see it? Oh my god, these curls is nice. Oh, this hair soft? Y'all, this hair is real life soft. Seriously. Not even joking. And on the inside, just to let y'all know, it does have the 3 clips. It's not the ones that you slide in. Well, you slide these in, of course, but it's the ones that you snap. And I haven't had those on a wig before in a long time. So inside this pink bag is all the goodies they sent me. And I love these little silk or satin bags they send because I feel like it's so much easier to store your wigs in these than the boxes. But inside they sent me, I'm guessing this is a scarf, a little silk scarf. This is so cute. It's like a pink jaguar or cheetah. Yeah, I don't know the difference between them two. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but it's that print, y'all already know, and it's real cute. They also sent me some lashes, some 5D mink lashes, but we don't wear those around here. We wear Kaylee's Collection, so shop if you haven't already, period. And then they also sent me another little scarf, I'm guessing, and then 3 headbands. I'm gonna wash my hair and prep my hair to put this wig on, and also prep this hair to go go on my head. So I'll be right back with y'all. So I went ahead and did my edges off camera, and what I'm doing is just taking and slicking my hair back, the edges part, so it can be sleek. So I'm just gonna take this little scarf that they sent me to lay my edges down. And then boom, we're just gonna let this scarf sit on my head and mold for a little bit. Let that bad boy mold, and what we're gonna do is work with the wig. So basically what I did was went and I washed it. Where's the conditioner at? I went and washed it with I forgot, it was like some regular old shampoo, but I literally conditioned it, y'all, with this keratin oil conditioner. Had it so shiny, and soft, you guys, and I basically just let that sit in it, and this how it left the hair. Look at those curls, look at that shine, look at that definition, y'all. I just let this air dry, and it's been air drying for about like an hour, I would say. Super cute and shiny. I love using that keratin oil conditioner on my curly wigs because it leaves it shiny and it leaves them defined. Like, it leaves the hair super defined, as y'all could tell. And these ends are nice and thick, so I won't have to trim them at all. And like, just get into these curls, y'all. Get into it. I'm trying not to fumble with it as much. So what I'm gonna do right now is dry this headband part. Take my blow dryer and just dry the headband part, and then I'm gonna attach my diffuser part and just diffuse this hair a little bit, or we might diffuse it when I get it on my head. One of the two. So after I dry the headband, I'm just gonna attach my diffuser part and blow dry the ends of the hair. Like, just do it up like this and blow dry it, and then do it like this, just to kind of dry it out a little. Not dry it out, but like dry it a little bit. But before I do that, I'm gonna go in with some mousse, like the slightest bit of mousse. This is the Argan Oil from Morocco, Styling and Shine Foaming Mousse. It's by Cream of Nature. I love this. It smells so good. So about 3 pumps of that. Taking it, and I'm just going to scrunch it into the hair. And I'm not showing this on camera, I'm so sorry, y'all, but y'all know, just scrunch it. But I just scrunch that mousse into the hair, and y'all look at the curls. Super defined, super defined. Do not rake your fingers through this. You barely even want to touch it. Do not touch this hair until it is dry. You hear me? Dry. We're gonna go through and diffuse this hair, and what I'm diffusing on is 3, which is the hottest heat, but I'm doing it on 1, so it's the lowest speed. Okay, you guys, so I dried it, and I would say it's about 95% dry, which is good. We're gonna leave her alone for right now. I'm still not gonna mess with them curls. So now I'm gonna apply the wig. Basically what I like to do is start from the back. And the thing about these is it's the actual clamp clips, you know, the ones that you snap. And I haven't used those in a little minute. And then boom. It's the curls for me, y'all. Like, look at the curls. Since the curl's not completely dry, what I'm going to do is take my diffuser. But I like separating the hair because it makes it look more natural than just the clumpy type look, you know? I love clumpy curls though. I love seeing defined curls. But this hair is so good and thick that it's gonna stay defined even though it's not clumped. But I'm gonna leave like a couple of curls clumped because I just love that look. But yeah, I love this hair, y'all. It's super thick. I actually don't know the density, but if I find it, I'll put it on a screen somewhere, or it'll definitely be in the description box. Everything about this hair will be in the description box. So, and I can wear like the little flips look or whatever, and that's probably how I wear it. This hair is so nice and full and soft. Absolutely love it. So now what I'm going to do is show you guys how you can kind of style up the hair. I'm not going to put this hair in a ponytail, but just know you can, because I don't want to mess up the curls, but know you can put it in a ponytail, half a path down with this kind of curls would look so good. Like, these curls are so freaking nice, y'all. I sell these real cute sparkly headbands, and y'all can wear these with them, you guys. These will look so cute. Also on my website, I sell these really cute fluffy headbands, y'all. They are so soft. When I say so soft, y'all, I mean so freaking soft. This gives me fall and winter vibes because, you know, we love fluffy and soft stuff during the cold season. So these will definitely be cute while you keep cozy in the winter time and fall time. So definitely get you some of these before I sell out. They are so cute. These are the 4 colors that I have: black, pink, brown, and white. And also on my website, I sell these ruched headbands. I have a red color as well, but I'm actually sold out in that one. So I will be restocking soon on those, so if you want a red one for the holidays, just let me know and I will pre-order it for you and get it shipped out to you ASAP, okay? And just to let you guys know again, Alipearl does send you your own headbands and stuff, so definitely use these to your advantage. So that's gonna be it for today's video, you guys. I really hope y'all enjoyed. Everything about this wig will be linked down in the description box below, so make sure y'all shop Alipearl and get y'all this curly headband, because I tell y'all, this is the easiest wig, okay? The easiest and cutest wig, like the best curls. It's easy to manage. Everything by my brand, Kaylee's Collection, where I sell my headbands and lashes and stuff, and I will be selling apparel soon, so stay on the lookout for that. Everything will be linked down in the description box below. It's www.kallextion.com, Kaylee'sCollection.com. Did I say the S? KALLESKOLLEXTION. So Kaylee'sCollection.com, and also follow us on Instagram. Again, thank you to Alipearl for sending me over this bomb unit. Y'all, I'm gonna be wearing this headband wig every single day. I'm serious, every single day. That's gonna be it, y'all. I really hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, my Z babies.